Okay, beta. So today we are going to start the addition and the subtraction of money. Okay, as we have already discussed the conversion of rupees into paisa and paisa into rupees in the last class. But today we are going to discuss about the addition and subtraction of the money. Okay, so for that you all are going to watch this particular video very carefully. Okay, students. Okay.
Such videos on our website. The link to our website is below in the description box. Question is, add rupees 36.50 and rupees 57.75.
Beta, suppose such type of questions given to you in your book. So what we are going to do here, there are two methods to solve such type of questions. Vikhyat, are you listening to me? And Vishnath, you also. Listen it very carefully. Suppose such type of questions are given. So you can solve such type of questions with two ways. The first one, you are going to convert the rupees into paisa. As we have already done the same concept.
Yes.
Means we can convert the rupees into paisa. Okay.
Yes.
So how we can do? Ma'am is just going to show you how we are going to do this question. Okay, with the help of this annotation. So suppose the first question here is, Parv, can you tell me the first figure here? Parv, can you tell me the first figure?
36.50 and
very good. 36.
57.70.
Very good. 36.50 paisa. Okay.
And rupees.
And the second figure is 57 rupees and 75 paisa. It is clear? Okay.
Yes.
So in the first method, what we can do? Suppose this is in the terms of rupees. Okay. So here ma'am is going to draw a symbol like rupees. But it is clear from the screen that I have drawn the rupee symbol. Yes, or no? Okay.
Yes.
And similarly, in front of 57 also, ma'am is going to draw the rupee symbol. Okay. Like this. Okay. So first of all, what we can do in the first method, we are going to convert it. We are going to convert it into paisa. Okay. And how we are going to convert? Suppose 36 rupees and 50 paisas are given here. So we have discussed that we are going to remove the dot from here to make it paisa. Okay. So we are simply going to write down 3, 6 and 5, 0. So this will be our paisa. Yes or no? Yes or no, Parv? Okay. So
Yes.
can you tell me or can you convert the next rupees into paisa?
57 rupees.
Yes. Beta, 57 rupees and 75 paisa, that is already given. But now you are going to convert it into paisa. So how you are going to convert? Tell me the step. Yes. Pratishtha, somebody is sitting behind you. Yes, Pratishtha. Yes, Parv. What will be your answer? When we are going to remove the decimal from here, dot from here, so what will be our answer? Can you read it? Can you read it? Quickly read it.
57.
Oh, not 57, beta. It is 5,000. 5,775 paisa. Okay. And then if we have already converted both the numbers into paisa, so now we can directly add both the numbers. Okay, beta. Now we can directly add both the numbers like the ordinary numbers, as we have already done the addition concept. Clear? This is the first way. How we are going to solve the questions like this. Okay, bache? This is the first way. But in the second way, how we are going to solve it, you must understand the second concept very carefully. The first one is very easy. What? That we are going to convert the rupees into paisa. Okay, and then directly we are going to add both the numbers just like the ordinary numbers. Okay, but here But here we have to learn the second method. Okay, so we are going to learn the second method with the help of this video. So watch it very carefully. Okay, बच्चे?
5,000.
Okay, Parth?
Okay.
Okay, beta.
Students, to add these two numbers, we will first write them in column. So make
Beta,
sure
this is the way to write down the different
300.
figures into column. That first of all, we are going to write down the rupee symbol, okay, and the paisa symbol, okay, and just below the rupee symbol, we are going to write down the rupees, okay, from both the figures, and just write down the paisa symbol, we are going to write down the paisas. So, Vedanshi, can you tell me, Vedanshi, are you listening to ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. So Vedanshi, in the first figure आपको नजर आ रही है 36.50. So what is the rupees here? Only the rupees. Can you tell me? Rupees क्या है यहाँ पर? Yes. Vedanshi, speak something, बच्चे. Rupees.
56.
36 exactly. And in the second figure, what are the rupees? Yes.
57.
57. So that's why we have taken 36 and 57 over here. Under the which heading? Under the which heading? In the rupee. In the rupee heading, we have written down. Okay, just below the rupee heading, we have written down the rupees. Okay, and in the first figure, can you tell me the paisa over here? Yes, Vedanshi.
Yes.
Paisa.
Yes. 50.
paisa. So that's why we have taken 50 over here. And in the second figure,
75.
it is 75 paisa. Okay, so that's why we have taken 50 paisa and 75 paisa just below the पैसा हेडिंग. ठीक है, पैसा हेडिंग नजर आ रही है आपको? पैसा हेडिंग के अंडर
Yes.
आपने लिखे सारे पैसे. Yes or no? And here one more important point is this, that we are going to write down this decimal, or we can say the dot, just below the other. नजर आ रहा है आपको? The position
Yes.
must be like this, that it should be definitely one below the other. ठीक है, एक decimal के नीचे दूसरा decimal है ना? You must have the position of this decimal like this. Okay, and similarly we are going to put the third dot also with the same place. Okay, and this is the vertical form, or this is the column method, how we are going to write down our rupees. Clear? And now directly we are going to solve this particular problem as the addition rules, which we have already discussed in the second chapter, addition chapter. Okay, now we are going to discuss. Ritvik, unmute yourself for that.
Yes,
Ready?
ma'am.
Okay, so here ma'am
Yes,
is
ma'am.
clear all the points, and then we are going to continue with the video.
to write rupees under rupees column
Clear?
and paise
Yes,
under
ma'am,
paise
clear.
column.
Yes.
It means write in such a way that the dots are exactly one below the other.
That must be in the
Now,
same sequence.
first add the paise and then rupees.
Vaibhav, sit
So
properly.
let's add paise first. 0 plus 5 equals to 5. Next,
Ritvik, when we are going to add 0 plus 5, your answer will be 5. Okay, but when we are moving to the
Okay.
next place, where we are going to add 7 plus 5, what will be our answer? What
Ma'am,
will be our answer? Yes,
ma'am, 12.
12. But 12 is a two-digit number. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
12 is a two-digit number. So we are going to write down the right place
2.
just below it, and 1 we are going to move to the carry forward to the next neighboring place.
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
no, just similarly as the addition rule. Okay, you have to forget
Yes,
this
ma'am.
decimal point. You have to forget this decimal point while doing the addition. Okay, you have to you need to put the symbol only, but there is no use of it. Okay, clear,
Yes,
beta?
ma'am.
In the addition purpose, you have to forget it for the few minutes. Okay. Now ma'am is going to start.
5 plus 7 equals to 12. Carry 1 and write 2 in the answer.
Okay, now we are going to add. Now we are going to add the next place. That is 6 plus 7 and 1 is carry. 1 is carry. So we are going to add all
Yes.
these numbers. So it means, beta, dekho, there will be no effect of this decimal point. Clear? As we are directly going to carry forward to the next place. So doesn't matter. We are not going to borrow about this particular dot over here. Okay, beta. Clear, Ritvik?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What will be your answer? Can you tell me? 6 plus 7?
Yes, ma'am.
6 plus 7.
Ma'am, 13.
It
Plus
will be
1,
13.
14.
Very good. Plus 1. Carry part. So answer will be 14. So we are going to write down only the 4 over here. And again 1 we are going to carry to the next. Vedanshi, keep your camera on, beta. I think some network issues from Vedanshi's side. Vedanshi, try to keep your camera on.
Now before adding rupees column, put a dot in the answer.
Like
Let's
this.
add rupees now. 1 carry.
Beta, whether there is no use of this decimal, but we have to put. Don't forget to put this decimal sign. Okay? We must always remember this. Vaibhav, sit properly, bache. How many times I have told to you? Sit properly, cross your legs. Cross your legs. Yes, very good. Very good. So now we are going to continue.
Plus 6 plus 7 equals to 14. So carry 1 and write 4 in the answer. Next, 1 carry plus 3 plus 5 equals to 9. So our answer is rupees 90.
So, beta, Vyom Thakur. Vyom, can you tell us our answer? Yes, Vyom.
Ma'am, 94 rupees
Yes.
and 25 paisa.
Exactly. So this is only the use of the dot. Why we are putting the dot? Whether it is does not have has any effect in the addition process, but still we are using. That's why, because we are going to bifurcate the rupees from the paisa. We are using this dot. Okay, and when we are going to read our answer finally, our answer will be 94. Rupees 94 and 25 paisa. Okay, beta, this is the way to solve our questions. This is the way to add our two different figures. Okay, and similarly, we can do the subtraction also. Okay, so now, first of all, ma'am is going to take your queries and then we will move to the subtraction point. Okay, students? Okay, bache? Okay, beta.